Hi, welcome to another episode of Bike Check Day, and we're going to be checking out my Raleigh Record again. So I hope you guys enjoy. So, this is my Raleigh Record. This bike I got for free. Again, I got this one for free. I kept this one. It had been sitting in a barn for a very long time, as you guys I remember. It's an old 10-speed. I put the original pedals back on, took the cages off, and I've done a few other things to it. Besides, it's still the same bike as the last time you've seen it. So one of the other things I did is ditched the Sax-Hooray derailleur on the back for a Shimano tourney from the 80s. It's just a used one. It has good tension, fits the bike, I guess it's meant for a road bike. I wasn't sure about that at the time. This bike's derailleur was robbed off of the CCM Blitz and is working pretty well. We're hooked up to the 5-speed down tube shifters. So that's the first thing I did. The second thing I went ahead and did was, again, replace the pedals with the original ones and took the foot cages off because the straps were absolutely gross. I also put these Tektro caliper brake levers from chainreactioncycles.com. Got them for 70% off. I will put Chain Reaction Cycles link in the description if you guys want to check that out. And so that's one of the other things I did to upgrade the bike and make it a little more modern and easier to ride. Now, it was originally had hockey tape on the handlebars, just because I was too cheap at the time to actually get the proper things for it. So basically what I went ahead and did is went over to Bike Shop and got these specialized bar tape, cork bar tape. Not fitting for the air of the bike, but it's more comfortable to ride now. And they go well with these Tektro drop bar levers from Chain Reaction Cycles. So it is more comfortable to ride now. It's a very smooth old bike. And it does the job. Now the old 10-speed now shifts a lot better than it did before. Little less clunky. Still pretty damn clunky, but now it has Shimano on Shimano gearing. And I think the chain almost just went behind the spoke guard there. As well, this thing has a Sturmey Archer spoke guard, which also helps keep the chain from going behind the gears and damaging the spokes. That's original to the bike. It still shifts pretty clunky. And the front does not shift very well. But it shifts. So that's my video today, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you can subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.